Today we talk about what is speed and velocity. So first of all we talk about speed. As word comes, speed means how fast an object moves. Speed means कि कोई object कितना तेज चल रहा है. Or the formula for speed is distance upon time, or we can say speed is rate of change of distance. In terms of physics, if the word rate is there, rate means you have to divide with time. So speed is distance upon time. Suppose an object covers a distance of 70 meter in 100 seconds. So what will be its speed? That will be distance upon time, that is equal to 70 meter upon 100 second, which will come out 0.7 meter per second. Meter per second is the SI unit of speed. Consider another example. There are two cars, blue car and red car. They are moving on a state road and cover same distance. This blue car takes 30 seconds and red car takes 40 seconds to reach on the same point. So who is having the greater speed? Obviously, that is blue car, because they have covered the same distance and time taken by the blue car is 30 seconds and time taken by the red car is 40 seconds. रेड कार ने ज़्यादा टाइम लिया सेम डिस्टेंस को कवर करने में और ब्लू कार ने कम टाइम लिया, तो इसका मतलब ब्लू कार की स्पीड क्या है? ज़्यादा. Take the example more clearly. Suppose this blue car takes 30 seconds and the distance cover 420 meter, and this red car time takes 40 seconds and the distance covered 420 meter. So let us calculate the speed of red car and blue car. Speed of red car, that is equal to total distance upon time taken. Total distance 420 meter upon 40 seconds. So what will be its speeds? That is equal to 10.5 meter per second. Now calculate the speed of blue car. Speed कैसे calculate करनी है? Distance upon time. Total distance कितनी है? 420. Time, that is equal to 30 seconds. So speed will be 14 meter per second. So which has the greater speed? That is equal to blue car. तो किसकी स्पीड ज़्यादा है? ब्लू कार की. Consider the another example, that is white car. This white car is taking 20 seconds and the distance cover is 420 meter. So what will be the speed of white car? Again the formula of speed is equal to total distance upon time taken, which is equal to 420 meter upon 20 seconds, which comes out 21 meter per second. What is this meter per second? This meter per second is the unit of speed. SI unit of speed is meter per second. Let us compare the speed of all these three cars. Speed of red car is 10.5 meter per second. Speed of blue car is 14 meter per second and speed of white car is 21 meter per second. All are taking the same distance, all are covering the same path 420, but time is different. It is taking 40 seconds, it is taking 30 seconds, it is taking 20 seconds. So which has the greater speed? That is equal to white car. White car has the greater speed, that is equal to 21 meter per second. As we have done, that speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken. So suppose this car is moving from this point and it covers a distance of 20 kilometer and it takes 4 hours. This is initial point and this is final point. So distance is 20 kilometer, time is 4 hours. So what will be the speed? That is equal to 20 upon 4, which is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. I just want to ask one thing. Does it tells us that throughout 4 hours its speed is same 5 किलोमीटर? डस पहले घंटे में भी इसकी स्पीड क्या कांस्टेंट थी, सेम थी? इससे हमें ये कुछ भी क्लियर नहीं होता कि जो है ये कार जो है हमारी थ्रू आउट 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चल रही थी. हो सकता है बिगनिंग में स्लो हो, बाद में फास्ट हो या बाद में स्लो हो गई हो. तो इस तरह से जो स्पीड निकाली हुई है वो कौन सी स्पीड है? इट ट्रैवलिंग विद द कांस्टेंट स्पीड कि पहले घंटे में भी वो 5 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया, नेक्स्ट आवर में भी उसने 5 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया, नेक्स्ट आवर में भी 5 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया और नेक्स्ट आवर में भी 5 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया. थ्रू आउट क्या उसकी स्पीड कांस्टेंट थी? बेसिकली ये जो स्पीड हमने कैलकुलेट की है ये कौन सी है? एवरेज स्पीड. एवरेज स्पीड हमारी क्या होती है? टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड अपॉन टोटल टाइम टेकन. That is equal to total distance traveled by the car was 20 kilometer and time was taken 4 hours. So distance is 20 kilometer, time is 4 hours. So speed will be 20 upon 4. So average speed is 5 kilometer per hour. Average means suppose in one test you get 10 marks, in the second test you get 20 marks. So what are your average score? What you do? You add the marks of both the tests, 10 plus 20, 30, divide by number of tests 2, so your average score will be 15. So similarly, the average speed of car, maybe in the beginning it is fast or slow. So average speed is 5 kilometer per hour. You are very much familiar with the speed now. Speed is what? Speed is equal to distance upon time. We can take many of the example. If you are given speed, you are given time, we can calculate distance also. So what will be the formula for distance? Suppose we are given speed 50 meter per second, time is 1 minute, that is equal to 60 seconds. So distance traveled will be equal to speed into time, which is equal to 3000 meter. Now 3000 meter doesn't tells that in which direction. So speed has only magnitude, no direction. So the term which has no direction, only magnitude, what type of the quantities are these? These are scalar quantities. So speed is scalar quantities. Now talk about velocity. Velocity, we will again come on distance and displacement. Suppose a person starts from point A and he has to go at point B. Due to huge traffic, नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में A से B तक उसने पहुंचना है. तो उसने रास्ता ट्रैफिक की वजह से चेंज किया, वो इस तरह से चला और कितनी डिस्टेंस उसने कवर की? 50 किलोमीटर. बट एक्चुअल पाथ डिस्टेंस ए और बी के बीच में कितनी थी? 20 किलोमीटर. सो डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू 50 किलोमीटर and displacement is equal to, that is the shortest distance, which is equal to 20 kilometer in north direction. Displacement क्या होती है? याद है आपको? Distance plus direction. किस डायरेक्शन में? तो वो हमारी क्या होती है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो स्पीड होती है हमारी डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम एंड वेलोसिटी इज नथिंग बट स्पीड when direction is told to you. That is displacement upon time. Speed is distance upon time and velocity is displacement upon time. Speed can be defined as distance traveled per unit time, or velocity is defined as displacement per unit time or distance traveled per unit time in a specific direction. Make it more clear with the example: speed, scalar quantity; velocity, vector quantity, because it has directions also. And unit of velocity is meter per second. SI unit of speed and velocity is same, that is meter per second. All the units of speed and velocity are similar. So come to the concept of average speed and average velocity. Again, come back to the example, that is a person is moving from town A to town B. टाउन ए से टाउन बी की ओर जा रहा है और उसने डिस्टेंस कितनी ट्रैफिक की वजह से लंबा रूट लिया और डिस्टेंस कितनी ट्रैवल की 50 किलोमीटर्स 2 आवर्स में। तो उसकी एवरेज स्पीड क्या होगी? टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम, दैट इज इक्वल टू 50 अपॉन 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 25 किलोमीटर पर आवर। बट टाउन ए और बी की एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस कितनी है? 20 किलोमीटर। तो उसकी डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होगी? दैट इज इक्वल टू 20 kilometer. Then what will be velocity? Velocity means average velocity will be 20 upon 2, that is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. So this is about average speed and average velocity. So students, what is velocity? Velocity is speed plus direction. Means when you are told that speed of a substance along with the direction, then we say it is known as velocity. Suppose a car is moving in north direction with 50 meter per second speed and direction is told to you north, then its velocity will be 50 meter per second. Suppose it is moving with 55 miles per hour in south direction, so its velocity will be 55 miles per hour in south direction. Discuss the concept of average velocity with another example. For example, in this path, a car moves and starts from this point and moves and comes back at the same position. So distance traveled by the car is 300 kilometers and it takes time 1 hour 40 minutes. So what will be the average velocity? I told you average velocity is displacement upon time. डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितनी होगी? इनिशियल पॉइंट, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट भी यही था, एंडिंग पॉइंट, फाइनल पॉइंट भी ये है। तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इनिशियल एंड फाइनल पॉइंट इज़ व्हाट? ज़ीरो। तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हुई? ज़ीरो। तो एवरेज वेलोसिटी क्या होगी? ज़ीरो अपॉन टाइम, ज़ीरो अपॉन 1 hour 40 minutes, that is equal to 0. So in this particular path, the average velocity of the car is 0. But we can calculate the average speed. वो क्या होगी हमारी? Different, that is equal to 300 upon this time. So that's all with speed and velocity. Discuss one more concept. What is that? Suppose a car is moving from A to B and at time t in car the speed is shown to us, that is 20 km per hour. At time t हमें स्पीडोमीटर पर स्पीड दिखाई दे रही है 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर और t3 पर थोड़े टाइम बाद हमने देखी तो स्पीड कितनी थी? 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर। जिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर आप स्पीड देखते हैं सपोज़ आपने T2 पर देखी, कितनी स्पीड थी, 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर। तो उस स्पीड को बोलते हैं हम इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड, दैट इज स्पीड एट दैट इंस्टेंट ऑफ टाइम। वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपकी पहले भी उतनी स्पीड हो या बाद में भी उतनी स्पीड हो। दैट इज़ द स्पीड एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम।